Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about best free AI art image generators Midjourney alternatives. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Are you tired of spending a fortune on AI art generators like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion? Well, you're in luck today because we're going to show you some fantastic alternatives. So we'll be diving into platforms like ChatGPT with Pollination AI. We also have Blue Whales in here, Instant Art, Synthesis X, Lexica Art, and Playground AI. So these tools will help you create stunning AI generated art. So let's go ahead and start with ChatGPT in here and Pollinations AI. So this is actually a dynamic duo that will allow you to create AI generated art within ChatGPT interface. So as you can see, this is Pollinations AI website, but the main thing that we're going to use today is ChatGPT. So we're going to use this too as a team in here so that it will help us create something new. Then we're going to go ahead and head to ChatGPT in here. So we're going to go ahead and generate something within the ChatGPT interface. But just a quick overview in here onto ChatGPT, we have two options. We have the 3.5, which is the fastest model, great for most everyday tasks, and the GPT-4, which is the most capable model, great for tasks that require creativity and advanced reasoning. But you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for that if you want to use this, since this is just available exclusively to Plus users. But we have the ChatGPT 3.5 in here, which is available to free and Plus users. So we're just going to go ahead and use this one. Now we're going to go ahead here onto the bottom part, onto the send a message, and we're going to go ahead and paste in something in here. So you need to copy the provided phrase and paste it into ChatGPT's prompt box. Now this should be the prompt. So if you need time, you could just pause the video to save this. So continue with the below prompt, input, focus, output, description, and then we have this URL in here. Then description, we have input, a photo of a cat, and then the outfit should be a photo of a cat on a couch, comfortable, cute, colorful interior design, Ansel Adams. Then we'll go ahead and click on the send in here, and let's try to see what it will give us. So as you can see, ChatGPT will generate it for you. So as you can see, we have gathered a photo in here with a cat sitting on a couch. So you could just specify your desired input and output. For example, if you want an image of Elon Musk in a retro comic style, we're just going to go ahead and copy this part in here. So let's go ahead and copy that one out, paste it back in here, and then you'll just need to change the values in here so that you could get the style that you want. Now for another example, you don't need to copy all of this, just the input and output, and then we'll write an input fox with a cloak, a fox wearing a cloak, cinematic, heroic, professional photography, 4K photorealistic, Tim Burton, and let's try to see what it will give us. So let's wait for its generation. And as you can see, it will generate a URL and then it will try to turn onto a photo right after. So that's how you use ChatGPT to activate pollination so that you'll have a photo to be generated. Now for the next tool that we're going to use in here, this is Blue Willows. So we'll just need to search Blue Willows onto your local browser or type in bluewillow.ai so that you'll get redirected onto this page. So this is another Midjourney alternative. And if you want to use this, it offers a Discord server where you can create AI art with 3 simple steps. So we're just going to go ahead and try to click onto the Discord in here so that it will redirect you to the Discord invite, and then you'll just need to accept it so that you could start generating. So let's click onto accept invite in here, and once you have joined already the Discord server, you'll just head onto the Rookie channel, type in the /imagine and then followed by your prompt, just like you would in Midjourney, and Blue Willow will generate your image based on your prompt and you will receive it for free. Now another fantastic tool that we're going to use in here is this Instant Art. While it doesn't let you choose specific model, it provides high quality AI generated art for free. So just go ahead and visit the Instant Art website. So you're just gonna head onto this platform in here. So this is what you'll see. And here onto the search by prompt, you'll just need to input your prompt such as Elon Musk or retro comic style. You could also update the column in here, and then right after, you'll just gotta go ahead and click on the search, and then Instant Art will generate your art very quickly and with an impressive quality. So Instant Art was envisioned as a haven for creators, a space where artists could explore and experiment without bounds, where novices could discover their own creative voices, and where art democratized in a way never before possible. Now let's head on to the other tool, which is is Synthesis X. So this actually adds a unique twist to AI art creation because this allows you to generate art based on existing images found on the internet. So here's how you will use it. You'll just need to search Synthesis X, or you could just search onto your local browser or directly search synthesis.io so that you'll get redirected onto this web page. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, you need to install the Synthesis X Chrome extension to use this. So you have different plans in here. We have the free one. So we're gonna use this. We have also the premium for $12 per month and premium for $99 per year. So you could go ahead and browse through all of the features that it offers so that if you want access to those upgraded plan, you could just simply click onto the get access here onto the bottom part. And since we're using the free in here, we're gonna go ahead and add this Synthesis X to Chrome. Now to get started using this, you're just gonna go ahead and install it. Since I have this one added already onto my device, you could see the remove from Chrome in here, but if not yet, you could see the install extension in here, and then you'll just need to follow the prompts. So as you can see, this is the ratings. We have 100,000 plus users that is currently using Synthesis X. We'll have a quick overview here onto the bottom part, as well as the privacy practices, some of its review, support, and some related extensions that we have in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and try this one out, and then you're just gonna go ahead and browse some images onto the internet. So you can see we have here some pictures of a cute pig. So what you'll need to do to use this feature is you're just gonna choose a photo. For example, if we want to use this certain one, we're just gonna go ahead, just click onto it, and then right after, you're just gonna right click onto this, and you should be able to find this or visualize this image. So click onto that. Then right after, you can see that there are two options. There might be for image generation if you choose this, but since we're using the two image, we're gonna go ahead and get two generation with this photo as a reference. Now as you can see, it will give you two options. You'll have the option to download it, choose a variation, and then have it onto Super HD. But if you don't like this generation, you could just simply click onto try again to receive another set of generation using Synthesis X. Now the next tool that we have in here for our Midjourney alternative is the Lexica art. So just simply search Lexica onto your local browser or lexica.art so that you'll get redirected onto this web page. So here onto its website, you should be able some different examples by other users. So you could browse through these features in here or photos so that you should be able to get some ideas or imaginations on what you will generate. And for you to be able to use this, you'll also have the generate option in here, the history of your generations, the likes, and also your account settings. So for you to generate, you'll just need to head onto the generate option in here. Now here, you'll need to input your prompt in here, just like what we've been doing. So you could just add it in here, add in a negative prompt or the things that you don't want to see onto your photo. You could also update the dimension in here, choose a ratio, or you could just simply drag and drop a photo as well in here for a reference. But as of the moment right now, this is not free already. We'll just need to have a subscription to use this. So let's just view its plan. So here are the different membership or plans that it offers. We have the starter, pro, and max. So the starter starts at $8 per month, pro at $24 per month, and max at $48 per month. So you need to subscribe to a certain plan in here so that you could use this feature. Now let's go ahead to the other tool that we're gonna use in here, which is this platform. So this is Playground AI. So this offers unparalleled flexibility and output. And just like Lexica, it also offers different generations in here done by other users. You could also see the prompts that was used so that we could go ahead and use these photos in here as a reference onto our own generation. So we'll just need to go ahead and do a quick generation to see what it will give us. So you're just gonna go ahead and click onto the create button here onto the upper part. And then right after, you will get headed onto the Playground AI's editor page. Here onto the upper part, there are different tools that will help you. We have the import image, move, we also have the hand, also this generate image. So this is what we're going to focus on. We could also add in some drawing, erase something, or instruct it to edit and add in some comments onto our image generated. So this is actually an example on what I have generated using this platform. Here onto the left side, you should be able to see the canvas, the image to image feature. You could add in some filter, or you could exclude something from the image and control traits. Onto the right side are the image dimension, prompt guidance, quality details, and you could also add in a seed and choose how many number of images you want to generate. So we'll have just one in here. Now this is what I have generated before. Let's try another prompt in here. Now we'll use this certain prompt in here flower retro comic style. Let's gonna move this one upward so that we could see the generate option. And you could also try to update the different filters that you have in here so that you could use this as a reference. And then also here, you could change the image dimension, anything that you want so that you could get the photo that you want to be generated. So let's just go ahead and move this. Let's move it upward and then click on the generate, and let's try to see what it will give us. And as you can see, here are the photo that I generated. So it really depicted what we want to see using the prompts that we've gone ahead and added earlier. So there are actually different tools that you could use in here. Just hover onto this generation. You have the crop image, image to image. You could remove the background, and you could also delete this if you don't like this one. And right after, if you want to save this, you're just gonna go ahead and right click onto it, and you'll see the download option, or you could use the shortcut key, which is letter D, so that you could have this downloaded. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to some of the best free AI art image generators alternative. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.